So, what is Book Like a Boss and who is it for? So, Book Like a Boss is the ultimate booking pages platform. It enables you to create all types of booking pages for all different types of use cases, whether it's for regular calendar appointments, events, multiple days or individual days, memberships, donation pages, physical products, webinars, classes, conference rooms, digital products, and a lot more. Book Like a Boss enables you to manage your entire service based business. So, who's it for? It's for anybody that takes bookings, whether you're a big company and you just do appointment bookings with colleagues or with potential clients, or you actually sell services like a hairstylist or a lawyer or a therapist or pretty much anyone out there that actually sells any type of service, house painter. I mean, there's just really no end to the amount of ways that you can use Book Like a Boss and who is this for. And what we do is we give you these customized pages and allow you to create unlimited pages that you can customize for everything, for all your needs. And we integrate with some of the top integrations available, including Zoom, WordPress, Zapier, MailChimp, YouTube, Google Tag Manager, etc. It's for individuals and for teams. So whether you're a company of one or a company of hundreds, we have a solution for you. And it's very easy to get started. Just click the start your free 14-day free trial. And if you're a solopreneur, choose this. If you're a company, you'll choose this. And we hope to see you on board.